Hey guys!
Hi.
So today,
My name is Galina and she's Darron. If you are new to our channel, there are two of us who recently got married. Yeah, and welcome to our cooking vlog.
Yeah. So
Today.
what's on the menu?
So on the menu for the dinner today we're having some chicken wings, pasta with a pasta sauce just because I crave this small pasta type. Yeah, and pumpkin cream soup.
And our coffee is overflowing. Yeah, and
Coffee just got away. Yes, so here's a marination which I'm gonna use for my chicken wings. I already started a little bit. The pasta with the pasta sauce, some macaronis, and the pumpkin for the pumpkin cream soup. But of course we're gonna use some more vegetables, and Darren gonna help me.
yeah, I need to crack that pumpkin open and then yeah, let's get the blending going.
Let's get started.
Baby, so you're going to be seasoning, yeah?
Salt.
So you got some salt. You said you already had your marination.
We start cooking kinda late, yeah, so
Yeah.
I want still to marinate for 20 minutes while we're prepping all other stuff. I have nice crispy wings.
Yeah.
And I think I've got some teriyaki.
Teriyaki. I actually feel for soya sauce. You know, when we had the soya sauce at Amazonico, it wasn't so powerful though.
Yeah, it was a very light.
Yeah. And we got some coffee because, okay, we're not drinking black coffee, we're drinking coffee with milk. But someone was feeling a bit on the sleepy side of life.
Yeah, but I need to wake up tomorrow very early. So baby, how is it going?
We haven't done this before.
The process looks good, no?
Yeah, but it's like a yucky business, you know?
Yucky business.
Yeah, because I've never done this. It feels like I'm reaching into some sort of something. I don't know what, like something.
I like it, some sort of something, don't know what it is, but something of something. Yeah?
You wanna see? Look at this cock. Yeah.
Your sound is more. In the soup as well, we're gonna add some carrots, ginger, potato, onion, and lots of garlic to have a nice, savory, spicy flavor.
Yeah.
And this gentleman is tackling a butterscotch pumpkin.
Now you're mixing it, bro.
Yeah.
Got some onions in there, got some garlic.
Yeah, this is basically for the soup. The cool stuff was that we don't have to actually, we can cut everything big pieces, so we don't have to cut small because we're gonna blend it at the end.
Yeah.
Just to get flavors out of each more, you know. Really nice. Is cooking. It's need to cook for a long time because there is a lot of hard vegetables, raw vegetables. We're watching MasterChef. Now we're gonna proceed to our chicken mix,
Yeah.
which has been marinated all this time.
For about 20 or so minutes.
Yeah. Well, while we was cutting vegetables and getting everything for the soup. Wings are marinated and we're gonna fry them on a grill and make some macaroni with the pasta sauce.
Sounds good in the hood.
Let's get with it. I think as last time we're gonna have soup later on, yeah? For lunch. I actually cooked this soup before. But I don't know the recipe, and I found it last time, but this time I just do as I remember. I hope it will come out the same nicely. Last time it was amazing, yeah. You should get that croutons.
But
yeah?
I never. Yeah, we should just to add
Yeah.
some nice texture to this.
I'm so excited for dinner. So as you see, we got our portion of the wings into the grill. It's frying now nicely, yeah. As you can hear, yeah. And I
Sizzling.
just chopped some onion and garlic for the sauce, for pesto sauce. Just one thing which you need to know about both of us: we love onion and garlic. Yeah, so we use
Let's
a
show
lot
them
of
the
it
chicken.
everywhere. Yeah, let's show. Today, guys.
Wait.
We.
On the grill.
Yeah, chicken
Grill
on the
master.
grill, water for the pasta, and soup in the process. Yeah, and we watch MasterChef. They doing 2-course meal, we also doing 2-course meal.
It's the.
And we need to flip them a lot of times, I think, yeah.
Because it might get stuck.
Maybe we can just move them, or do you think we have to flip them all the time?
I think let's flip them because
Grill master.
we can. It's pretty hot.
Maybe I need a fork?
Yeah, I think so too.
I think so too. Please, gentlemen. We're celebrating our sauce with some cheese because I used first time this pre-made pesto sauce, but we feel like something missing. So we add some cheese, we add onion and garlic. Let's see how it's gonna taste now.
Pasta sauce.
New craving, or how to say, favorite thing. This is a paratha bread.
Just pop it in
do
the
it on a
pan.
grill, and we don't wanna now wash grill, so we're gonna do it on a pan
Yeah.
quickly and nicely. Shall we add oil? We never used to cook it on a pan, but
I think we
it's
should.
fine. This is non-sticky pan, so I hope it's not gonna stick. Here we go. Here is our finished product. I know, yeah, it's just simple macaroni with a sauce, pesto sauce in our case, some cherry tomato and a chicken wings, but we really was craving for this macaroni because we don't eat much of them here. Yeah, but this is how our dinner look like for tonight. And we're still waiting on our pumpkin soup to chill.
Yeah. And then we'll
So we
get
can
going.
blend it. It's gonna be our second course. Dessert.
Not dessert. Be like
Soup first, yeah?
soup first and then.
But we don't like to go regular ways, no?
Yeah, we always experimenting and choosing
Always
the other way of life.
Yeah, so let's eat.
That's it. I'm hungry.
And here's our pumpkin cream soup. This is how it came out.
It's pretty creamy.
Little mess around. Yeah, it's pretty creamy. But I think we are too full to have it. We will have it tomorrow with some croutons, some dill, maybe some cheese on top.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good. Looks good also. I hope you like it.
I think I will. I tasted it before and it was good.
Cool. Let's give it a first try.
So we will try the pasta first. I'm going to try pasta. Because the pasta don't want to try me. Actually, it's good. I mean, I like the fact that you can taste the garlic and you can taste the cheese.
And cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say about cheese. Let's see how them. Okay, guys, come on. Everybody eat chicken wings with their hands, no?
Yeah, let's eat. With my fingers, the way I grew up.
Very nice. I didn't have it in a long time actually.
Just push through this. Very nice.
Yeah, we're enjoying so far. And this is our pahata.
But that's the thing, like whenever you make marination for chicken, it's always delicious. Oh my gosh.
Marination makes everything better, no? Nice one.
And then when I
Very
attempt
nice,
it at my place, it's not the same.
It's my love.
I know this.
Making everything taste better. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our little cooking vlog. And I hope you enjoyed your meal as well.